Hello everyone, welcome to Geeky Pathfinder. In this video, we will see how to backup your WhatsApp media files, including documents, on your MacBook. So let's get started. Before we begin copying, make sure you have following things ready. The first is, make sure you have WhatsApp data backed up in your iCloud. Let's see a quick tutorial on how you can backup your data using an iPhone. After you open WhatsApp, click Settings, then go to Chats, then go to Chat Backup, and there you see the option of Backup Now. After you click that, your data will be backed up in iCloud. The second point is, you should have some software which is installed on your MacBook to zip or unzip files. The third point is, you should have unchecked your optimize Mac storage using this option. So let's see how you can do it. Go to System Preferences and go to Apple ID. And there you see the option called Optimize Mac Storage. If you have checked this option, you should uncheck this option. Now you go to Spotlight feature using Command spacebar option and then type terminal, hit enter. Now write cd spacebar, then tilde, then / capital L and press tab, and finally write capital M, small o and press tab, hit enter. Just to make sure, write ls and press enter. You will see lot of different names in this. Now you just scroll up and we try to find where we see the WhatsApp. So here you see the WhatsApp. Just click here, copy this text using Command C, go down and write cd and paste this using Command V, hit enter, then write ls and hit enter. Now write cd spacebar capital A and press tab. Press tab again and one last time and hit enter. Now again write ls. You will see different files here. So this file document.tar, it consists of all your documents from the WhatsApp. This file media.tar, it consists of all your media files, that is audio and video files. And this media_1.tar also has all the contents of your audio and video files. Now let's see how you can copy these files onto your desktop. So now we write cp spacebar capital M and hit tab. Now dot, again tab, now tilde, / and capital D, E and tab. There you go, and you will see your media.tar file is already copied on the desktop. Similarly, we will copy our other files. So write cp capital D and enter tab, and then again tilde, / capital D, E and tab. So your document file is already copied on the desktop. Finally, we will copy the third tar file, which is media_1. For that, we will write cp spacebar capital M, again tab, underscore, again tab, then tilde, / and desktop, again tab. In this way, we have copied all the files, media files and the document files. Now we go to terminal menu and then say quit terminal. Since you have already installed a software to zip and unzip files, you can simply go and double click on this file, and here you can see you have media folder extracted on the desktop. So we'll just go to media folder, try to see what's inside this folder. Just go randomly to one of the folders and then check, and there you go. You will see all your image files as well as video files. And let us check the documents also. So this will consist of all the document files. So I have this PDF file present. In this way you can quickly and easily copy all your media files at once on your MacBook. Thank you for listening. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to press the like button and the bell icon as well, so that you don't miss my upcoming videos.